So hey, how's it going? Welcome back. Tonight I'm gonna do some more coasters. Still practicing with this Shelley Bloom technique. I start off with Paynes Grey, then Turquoise. Um, the next color is gonna be black, and then I'm gonna just pick a funky color after I get done with just putting a little bit more of the turquoise, but I'm gonna add a little bit of brown to see what it looks like. That was Van Dyke brown. So hopefully it doesn't turn out too crazy, but if it does, no big deal. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of gold for this one. Um, so hope everybody's been doing good. Thank you to the new subscribers. I hope you enjoy the videos. Um, just a white cell activator. Sorry about my head being in the way. Still don't have that blowdown on getting these blooms just right. However, we will get there eventually. Again, sorry about my head being in the way. We'll go ahead. Part of it's kind of stuck to the bottom because I just blew a little too hard on the tile. But I'm going to go ahead and stretch it out and see what it looks like. Again, be sure that you do have a good grip on these tiles, especially after they have paint on them, because they start to get a little slippery. Not sure how I feel about this one yet. I mean, it looks alright, but anyway, I will bring you down for a closer look on the tiles here after I finish all of them. So this one's kind of going to be the same ordeal. I'm not going to add any brown in this one, and I'm not going to add as much black. So I'm just going to get a little crazy with paint after I put down those first little drops. Again, hopefully have a little bit of gold lacing or something like that, or some cells. So I was watching a video, and sometimes I have a little bit of problem with getting my paint, the color all over the tile versus, normal. We know what we need to pour to cover the canvas or tiles. So apparently you split it down in threes, and if your puddle's not a third of the surface, then you need more paint. So that's kind of what I've been going off of here lately. This one, I'm liking this one so far. But really, I need to get my Lazy Susan out and spin these. That way it stretches hopefully equally, But that is a bit of a pain, so I have not done that yet. And since the one I do have, I've modified it to use 20 by 20s. So I might just get another Lazy Susan and use tape to tape these down, just so I don't have to deal with the bigger one. And as if you can kind of see, that one has a little bit of white in the center, but they still look awesome. And the ones, this is going to be a swipe. Most of my success is from swipes, just because it's easier to control, maintain, if you know what I mean. And if you've done these, you especially know that by now. So I'm going to be using a business card that I have for my swipe. It seems those do a little bit better than, like, I had these little plastic things that I would do it with, but for some reason it just didn't work out as good as this. So I'll be using business cards from here on out. I am dipping the business card in the white cell activator and just kind of tapping it. It's kind of off video right now, but you can see at the bottom right hand side. So here's a close-up of the coasters. This one's my favorite. really not filling the brown one that you'll see here in a little bit. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please like, subscribe. I would appreciate it. And take care. Have a good one. Thanks.